flashpoints, if you will, of when you need to back up and say, I really need to bring an expert into this case. This is not something that I should be doing. I know a little bit about it. I know what the tax law says, but I don't know what IRS does and how they do it, and I don't know what pitfalls I'm getting into here. And do I really want to take this on by myself, or do I need some help? I know many of you do a lot of tax controversy work. How many of you, a show of hands, how many of you do tax controversy work? Okay, quite a few of you. If I asked that question 25 years ago, most of you wouldn't have been around at that time, but if I asked that question 25 years ago, I would have very few hands going up, okay? It was something that people just didn't do a lot of, okay? And that's the reason when I opened this practice, I decided there was a niche, and we built that niche. We were the first firm in the country to ever open our doors just to represent people before IRS, okay? There were a lot of people that were doing bits and pieces of it, but we were the first in the country to do that. And everybody kind of laughed at me and said, Bill, you're going to open a public accounting firm and you're not going to do tax returns and you're not going to do write-up work? How are you going to make a living? So I'll tell you one better than that. I don't even have a client. I don't have a first client. I don't have a client, but I'm going to find some, okay? And fortunately, from CPAs and attorneys, enrolled agents such as yourself, we built a practice, referral-based practice, and that's where most of our business comes from. There are a couple of people I want to introduce to you today.